Hello, dear children. Today we will write capital cursive L. Okay. So we will start from the first blue line, go up slant, touch the red line and curve. Okay. When you reach this point, you will come down straight like 1. Touch the blue line, lower blue line, and move this side. Okay, move the opposite side, make a loop, and when you leave this line you will go down slant, and then continue moving on this, sleeping on this line, and then go up and leave. One more time, please listen very carefully. You will go slant, touch the red line, curve, make a loop and come down straight. Now curve the other way, again make a loop. Now after touching this line, then you will come down slant till the blue line and then sleep a little and then go up and leave. Okay, one more time, slant, curve, standing line, curve the other way, make the loop, and after touching this line you will go down slant till the blue line, curve and go up. One more time, please see. I will write a little fast now. Okay, here you have to sleep a little, curve and then go up. Okay, now the possible mistakes in this are, please do not go very far. This line should not be a sleeping slant, it should be a standing slant. You will go up like this, not far. Okay, do not make a sleeping slant, don't make a long line. Then second mistake is, please do not make a very thin L or a very fat L. Okay, this loop should be small but not so much small, and it should not be fat, so do not go up till here, and then if you'll come down slant your L will look like this. Okay, please see this carefully. It should not be fat. The loop should not be so fat, loop should not be so thin. Then it should not be fat in this way also. This is also wrong. Please don't come down here and then sleep and then write L like this. This is wrong. First you have to make a loop, join here and then go down slant. Okay, please come down straight. Do not come down slant like this or slant like this, or do not make a curved line like this. All these mistakes children do, so you will avoid this mistake. Start from the blue line, not from the top. Okay, and some children also, what they do is, after here you have to come down slant. Some children, what they do, they make a wave. This wave is wrong. I have seen this wave many times that children make, so please do not make this wave, and also don't leave it here. Please finish it properly with a upward curve. Okay, So once again, please see the formation of L, slant, curve and come down straight, curve the other way, join, slant, sleep a little and then go up. Is that clear? Please do not make a very fat L like this or very thin L. Take care of this upper loop also. This upper loop should not be so thin and it should not be so fat also. Okay, so take care of this loop also. Should not be thin, should not be fat, should not be thin, sorry, should not be fat. This is the correct size. Okay, so please practice and make beautiful L. Alright, bye. Happy writing.